Early mornings in Queens.
Early mornings in Brooklyn, man.
almost got him to say Brooklyn. Almost. What does that thing do?
It's an audio interface. Like if I wanted to plug in an external audio source, like a guitar or a mic, I could do that without sacrificing the quality. It goes into this interface, which converts it to digital, which allows it to speak to the computer.
So let me get this straight. If I had a harmonica, plug the harmonica up in here, blow the harmonica, doesn't compromise the sound or quality, goes into the fancy computer. Is that logic?
Yep.
Then logic goes and pushes it out through the KRK speakers, right?
That's it.
Then you put it on the radio.
Well, yeah.
Make millions of dollars.
Of course. I wish it was that easy.
Yep.
I wish it was that
easy. Today's word of the day is composition. So, of course, I got Trevor with me. You guys remember Trevor, right? So as a filmmaker, I think understanding photography is critically important. If you understand stuff that's not moving, it helps you better understand things that is moving, all right? So we are out today in Queens. We are actually in Brooklyn. Anytime you say a borough that a person doesn't live in New York, you say the opposite borough, they immediately get a face like this. So I do that all the time. But we're gonna take Trevor, we're gonna go take some shots. This is gonna be incredibly difficult, because how do you take pictures and do video on the same camera? But it's gonna happen. So let's go look for some. I don't know what street this is, but here is a brick wall with words on it. This is kind of like a nice pattern here, right? Trevor has on, his shirt is like he has on like a white shirt. Yeah. All right, so if he stands up against this background here, that should make him pop out maybe a little bit, all right? This little square here and this little square, I put Trevor right in the middle. Trevor, get in the middle. Go to the, right there. Turn around. Yeah, right there. So I put Trevor right there. So now everything's like aesthetically pleasing. Trevor is like dead center in here. And we take the picture, 1, 2. Hey, we're walking to some destination, but on the way there, I figured I would look for more compositional, I think that's a word, compositional things that we could do. So I had Trevor come right over here. Okay, I had Trevor not do that. So I had Trevor like do Trevor's pose. Trevor, do the Trevor pose. So that's the Trevor pose. That's probably what he's gonna do in every picture. And you know what, I've accepted that, so all of you have to accept that too. So there's not much going on here, so I'm gonna switch to my 50mm. I'm gonna take a couple pictures like this, and we're walking and we're walking, and what do you know? More graffiti, a graffiti wall, but this one's different. Why? This was different because it's like, it looks like it's supposed to be here, right?
Yep. I think someone actually got paid. Artists were actually paid in this. If not, then still, someone put love into this one.
Yeah, sweet. So we'll try to do this. The contrast is a little weird because he has on white and then there's like mad white in there. So, oh, come on, that's all right. It's not live or anything. I'm gonna switch to my 50mm, and we're gonna take a picture here. Sweet. So like we wanna, okay, cool. So you're gonna do that. That's a new Trevor. Wow, that's different.
That's it.
All right, so we're gonna do that, all right?
Race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the Holy Rail now.
Bro, you took like 20 pictures. I have not seen one.
Let me just tell you.
Okay.
That last shot,
yeah,
was money.
Oh, all right, cool.
It was money, straight money.
Sounds good.
All right, I'm not gonna let you see it, but it was money. Where are you going?
Oh, I thought you were filming or taking a picture. Couple blocks down here.
We're gonna go over here to the basketball court because this is pretty dope, and we're gonna take some pictures there. Can you dunk? This is like my secret to a lot of my shots. I like lines. anything that's dealing with lines, I like really enjoy them. So like right here, see that? You have like this nice area that just goes into the abyss. I'm gonna have Trevor just stand in there and do the Trevor that Trevor does. And then at that moment, I'm gonna take a couple pictures. That last shot is about to be crazy because of the clouds. Wait till I go in Lightroom and fix the clouds. All right, brother, take it easy, babe. Watch when I go in Lightroom, fix the clouds, and the pose Trevor just did. It's about to be dope. And maybe like, see this railing here? I'm gonna have Trevor lean up on the railing. He's gonna stand here in this little alleyway, get some shots. All right, folks, that's all I got for y'all today on composition and photography and how that relates to film. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button one time. If this is your second time here, hit the like button. Remember, I am your boy D Anthony, aka Tony Captured, writer, creator, director of everything film. Trevor, say bye.
Bye.
Till next time, Brooklyn, we out.